Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 900 by 900 dimensions using ellipse and draw vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines using line segment, as shown. Use half portion of the quarter. Draw stripes with 50 by 550 dimensions using rectangle and align horizontally. Select Object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object Create Shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select all and apply color from the swatches. Remove stroke and right-click, group them. Select Object and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Control plus D to duplicate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.